Do you know many people are having trouble with calling from their Galaxy Watch 5? Don't worry. In this video, we'll show you how you do this. Let's start. Step 1. Open Phone app. Open the app screen on your Samsung Galaxy Watch 5 and tap the phone icon. Step 2. Choose method. Choose your method. Enter a number using the keypad, select a contact from your list, or pick an entry from the call log. Step 3. Select number. If prompted, select to make the call using either the watch's number or the connected phone's number. Step 4. Initiate call. To proceed, tap the call button to initiate your conversation. Step 5. Conduct call. Conduct your call using the built-in speaker and microphone, or use a connected Bluetooth headset for a hand-free experience. With these steps, you should now be able to make calls easily using your Samsung Galaxy Watch 5. Still need help? Visit our website for the complete manual. There you will also find questions and answers from other Samsung users. Did you find this video helpful? By subscribing, you help us continue to answer users' questions. So, subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.